Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1967 Corvette Roadster. It's finished in white with a black stinger. White interior. Very, very cool color combination. You really never see this color combo. Power steering, factory air, rear headrest. Just a killer color combination. Runs and drives fantastic. Numbers matching. Man, look at the interior, just fantastic. God. Runs and drives better than it looks. Beautiful condition, like new all the way around. There you go, 427, 390. Very correct under here with all the correct hoses. On the right shielding, correct black under the hood, flat black. Air conditioning and power steering. Pretty fantastic. Pretty car. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, WeBe Autos.